Welcome to LT Outdoors, the channel with everything the outdoor world has to offer.
Oh my God.
That's the biggest yet.
Sun is coming up, bobber's going down. Fish are all biting and jumping all around. Let's hook up the boat, come on, let's go. It's time for LT Outdoors. I'm talking LT Outdoors. Might go hunting, fishing, metal detecting, might even do a little fortune too. I'm talking LT Outdoors. I hope you enjoy the show.
Oh my God.
Special thank you to all my patrons out there. If you want to become a patron, go to patreon.com and look up LT Outdoors. From now on, I will be doing a monthly drawing giveaway as a thank you to all of you for all of your patronage. Alright, I wanted to hop on and do a little bit of an extra here for those keyboard warriors out there that are going to want to jump in my crap and yell at me. I just want to say right now, yes, I know there's a road right there, obviously. I've been hunting this spot for a while. It's a good spot to hunt. They teach you in hunter safety to always know what is behind where you're shooting, alright? It's common sense, folks. Yes, I'm a very educated hunter. I've been doing this since I was a little kid, old enough to hold a gun. So I'm telling you right now, I know what I'm doing. Yes, I know there's a road there. Don't do this if you're not an educated hunter, if you're not experienced, if you fear that you would probably pull the trigger at the wrong time. Don't do it. I don't want to see anybody mess up. But me personally, I know what I'm doing. I'm totally okay with doing this, and it's legal. So before anybody wants to jump at me and say, oh my God, there's a road so close, you've already seen me do it. I duck hunted there last year, and I've snipe hunted it once this year. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Hit that subscribe.
Welcome to another episode of LT Outdoors. Today, actually out here with my buddy Rich. He's sitting in the truck right now. We've been out wandering the swamp here for quite a while. I'll tell you what, the snipe and rail are in migration right now. We've seen more snipe today than I ever seen in my life. So it's a blast right now, I'm telling you guys. I bet we've seen at least 100 today. It was pretty amazing. I didn't shoot that good today. I did okay. I got 4, lost a couple. Rich has 4, lost a couple. So it's been a good day. All in all, it's been fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think. And you're on them. Yep, that's exactly how these are. Oh, that deep. Oh no, that was a snipe. Yeah, see how it's flying right now? How it's got its wings kind of folded weird? That's a snipe. I've jumped them in this big batch up here at the end every time I've jumped them. Oh, rail, get him. There's a snipe over here. Hear me? There's 2 more, 3 more. There's 3 more. Oh, there goes one. Oh, there goes a bunch. Look at them by the road. They're coming this way. Yep. They're flying out towards the end. They just went down in that clearing. No, you didn't. Come here. Oh, you got one?
Great. I was behind this little tree thing. Got the one?
It's gotta be. Jesus. I've never jumped one that close. He was in my face. didn't see it till it's too late. Yeah, that one might come back around. Oh, here comes. Oh man, he jumped a bunch. I just scared a bunch that were right next to me, I guess. Huh? Those are all snipe. Oh, right at the road. Holy crap. Oh no. Look at them all. They keep going at the road. Oh, another one. I'm gonna walk. Oh, I'm gonna walk the edge of the road. I know there's a pile up here by the road though. I'm gonna see if I can push them off. They landed right in front of you. Did ya? You got two more coming from behind. I got one. You got three? I gotta come see this. Got that? Oh, here it is.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice.
Sweet, he's still alive.
Yeah, one of mine was, the other one was dead.
Hell yes. I'm glad you came with me, man.
You ever seen this many snipes?
Only at Tuttle, but it's been years.
Wow. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Dude, yes. Oh. Ah, come on. Damn it. My gun jammed. Gun jammed on me. Couldn't even get a round off. Oh, oh. Ah, man, this gun. I'm gonna throw it in the lake. Did ya? Don't lose him. Man, they're everywhere. Was that the one that you hit? That looked like a rail. Did you already get the one you hit? Okay, I got my eyes where you hit that one. I'm gonna go look for that. Yeah, you can catch him. That's amazing, dude. A lot, yeah. Aren't they a cool bird?
Oh, yeah.
Got two coming around. They're going to the end. They just dumped. Oh, dude, nice. Yeah, they landed all over right in here. Should have had that. There he goes. It's gonna land on our mud flat. Ah, you little. Got that one. There he is, man. Look how good these birds blend in. This is why it's best to have a dog. That would have been a really, really hard one to find. Oh, come on. Dang it. It's gone, man, I swear.
You guys are not going to want to miss out this season. I have a whole new line of LT Outdoors tackle, including 3 different ice fishing things. You're not going to want to miss this, guys. This stuff is on fire. You've seen me use it time and time again, but this year I'm actually marketing it. I've got my perch / walleye tip-up rigs. These are the Jumbo Slammer tip-up harnesses. You can get yours today. Just get a hold of me. I've also got my Gator Grabber tip-up harnesses. These are mostly for pike. You can also get big walleye and whatnot on them. And then the Drunken Dizzy jigging spoons. These are my rattle cap, bottle cap jigging spoons. All of these you can get for $2.50 a piece, plus $4 shipping on every order. But yeah, you got to get in these, guys. They are epic. You've seen me use all this time and time again, catching a lot of fish. You don't want to miss this. Also, guys, panty pounders. These things are on fire. I have sold so many of these now. You guys know it. These things work great. If you're out for panfish, crappie, trout, whatever it may be, get yourself a panty pounder. They are tearing it up. So yeah, if you guys want any of this, email me, ltoutdoors15@yahoo.com, and I'll be sure to hook you up. We'll hook up an order. LT Outdoors is brought to you by RBM Jigs and Lake Effect Lure Co. Make sure you check out their extreme line of ice fishing tackle. Wellman's Bait and Tackle in Oscoda, Michigan, right by the bridge. You don't want to miss out. They have a whole line of LT Outdoors merch. Bass Brothers Lures and Baits, top of the line trapping gear. Sport Spec, magnify your outdoor experience. Mountable Memories Taxidermy, mounting memories to last a lifetime.
Tastes like strawberries. The snozberries taste like snozberries.